All right, so we continue question 5b from the January 2024 CSEC mathematics paper, and we have this graph to complete, this cumulative frequency curve to complete. Let me just copy it and paste it. So copy and paste over here. All right. Now, it's a cumulative frequency curve, and we're going to have to plot the points based on what we have in the cumulative frequency table. All right. So we have 3.57, that was already plotted. Then we have 4.425, 4.425 plotted already. Now notice here that this value 25 is halfway between these two lines, as you have each small square is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Each small square is 2. So we have 20, 22, 24, 26. Halfway between them is 25, all right? So that's plotted. And what do we have now? 55, 5.3, 55. So we have 5 point, this would be 2.5, 3.5. So we want to locate 5.3, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 5.0, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5. So each small square represents 1. So to get to 5.3, this would be 5.0, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3. So we have to locate 5.3, and the value here corresponding to 5.3 is 55. So how do we locate 55? We go up 50. Each small square represents 2, so it's 2, 4, halfway between here is 5. So we have this line and this line. So our line would be right here. All right. So let's erase part of what we have here. So our point that we're plotting, our x would come here. All right. So you see that. Then after that, we have 6.284. Where is 6.2? Well, 6 would be here. So 1, 2. This here will be 6.2. Alright? So up here will be 6.2. And then, what is it again? 84, I said. 6.2 corresponding to 84. So we're at 80 to 4. 84. So we go across, and our 84 would be this line, 6.2 would be this line. So they would meet right at this point. All right. Then 7.1, 112. Our 7.1 7 would be here, so 7.1 would be right here. Alright? Where's 112? 110, then 2 more, go up to 112. So our 112 line is this line. Let's look back at what we have here. 7.1 112 would be right at this spot here. So we locate that spot and we put our X. Remember, don't use a dot for the point. You can put a dot and a circle around it, or put a X, right? Because a dot, you're not supposed to be able to see a dot. It's supposed to be so small. But anyway, it's an X. And then 120, 120. A dot should be so small that you can't see it. Alright, don't put a point or a dot, put an X. 120. So we have our 8 right along here. Along this line is our 8, and reach 120. So 120 is all the way up here. Okay, good. So that's what we have. So what they say we should do again is draw the cumulative frequency curve. Now, the cumulative frequency is going to look somewhat like this, like an S. They say, architects call it the OGIVE, ogive. You have along the graph, you have small number at one extreme, on the lower extreme. You have small number at the upper extreme, but a lot in the middle, right? So, following this curve, let me try and follow the curve. For my cumulative frequency, I'm just doing my best here. My cumulative frequency curve to go up through this point and go up to this other point and turn this way. Anyway, that's my cumulative frequency curve that I got. Alright, and then what they say you must do, use your diagram to find an estimate for the median mass of the newborns. Median, halfway up. Alright, so you're going from 0 up to 120. The median, half of 120 is 60. So you locate 60 and go across to the curve. And then from where the line intersect the curve, you come down. Looks like about 5.4. You can say the median mass, right, is about 5.4 kilograms, somewhere about there. Alright, and that is the end of question 5.